And welcome back. Today's recipe is an egg puff. It's a bakery style egg puff. Before moving on to the recipe, if you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed till now, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on the recipes posted. Now let's move on to the recipe. Now let's begin. For making the egg puff, you'll need to make the filling first. For that, take a kadai, add in 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, you'll need to put the sliced onions. Here I've taken 3 big onions and you'll need to saute it. Keep sauteing it. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt. You need to mix it well. Prepare some ginger garlic paste, ginger garlic chili paste. I've taken 4 chilies, 2 cloves of garlic and 1 small piece of ginger, and you'll need to grind it. And add this ginger garlic chili paste to the onions and saute it till the raw smell goes. Keep sauteing it for a few minutes. To make the process faster, I'll be just closing and keeping. And after a few minutes, open, and you'll need to add half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of pepper, and half teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it all well, and you need to cook these masalas for a few minutes till you get the nice creamy filling. Add in curry leaves and coriander leaves. Combine it well. Let it cook for a few more minutes till you get a nice thick creamy filling, something like this. It's become half the quantity. The onions have become half the quantity, and now your yummy filling is ready. And for the egg puffs, you need some hard-boiled eggs. For that, I've kept some eggs for boiling, and once it's boiled, cool down and take out the shells and cut it into 2 pieces. And now you need to grease the dish in which you're going to place the puffs. Now let's do the filling. For that you'll need some puff pastries. These are store-bought ones. And put the filling in the center. And you'll need to keep 1 piece of egg in the center. And you'll need to cover the eggs with the puff pastry. You can make any shape of your choice. You can make it as a triangle piece, or you can make it the way I am making it. This gives it a good look, so try it out this way. Seal the edges like this, and your puff pastry is ready to be baked. I'll be making 8 puffs with the filling which I made, and now the puffs are ready to be baked. Before putting it for baking, to brush some oil over the puffs, gives it an extra color and shine to it. Now your egg puffs are all ready to be baked. Put in the preheated oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees, and after about 30 minutes your egg puffs are ready. Egg puffs taste similar to the ones which we buy from the bakeries. Do try it on, and please let me know your feedbacks in the comment section below. Those who are new to my channel and those who haven't subscribed my channel till now, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until I come back with a new recipe, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.